Do you want to learn how to install WordPress in wasmer.io? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get to it. First, you need to go over to wasmer.io, and then on it, you can press on this deploy for free. It's going to take you over to this page. Scroll down, you're going to find WordPress starter here. Press on this image here, not this button. This is going to show you the example. Click here to start with this project. Now scroll down, you'll find configure WordPress. You can put your app name, server location. You can select between these two server locations, so France and United States, Los Angeles. Select between these two. I would suggest going with the United States version. Scroll down, you'll see WordPress version. Click on it and you can see all these other options. Just go with the latest one. PHP version, if you want to select the older version, you can do that. And the PHP architecture. Now here, you'll see configure your WordPress website. Click on it and you can change the site title, the language. There are these two languages available. You can switch between them. There's admin username and password. You can set both of them. And then below it, you'll see admin email. Set your email here. Once you're done, press on deploy now. And it's going to start the deployment process. It says it usually takes around 30 seconds. Let's check if it does that. All right, so our website is live and it's live for 1 hour. To keep it online, you need to create a free account. Let's click on dashboard here. And let's start with this. I'm working on personal projects. Let's press on continue. And I would prefer going with Google sign up. So let's just go click on this continue with Google. Now we are signed in and we've got our project here that we just made. We can click over here and there you go. Your WordPress is now installed on wasmer.io. All right, so now you go over to wasmer.io and you'll see your apps here. Let's go inside this one. And on the top right, you'll see WordPress admin. So click on it and it's going to take you over directly inside your WP admin page. Now from here, you can install plugins, add users, and a lot more. And that's it. That's how to install WordPress on wasmer.io. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more WordPress or wasmer.io related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.